Hey there, feeling that scratchy, painful sensation in your throat? I know, it's the worst, but don't worry, I've got your back. Today I'm going to share some simple and effective home remedies to soothe your sore throat fast. First up, let's talk about honey. This golden nectar is not only delicious but also incredibly soothing. Just mix a tablespoon of honey into a warm cup of tea or water and sip away. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce inflammation. Next, we have saltwater gargles. It's super easy. Just dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle with it for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. This helps reduce swelling and wash away irritants. Another great remedy is ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Simply slice fresh ginger, boil it in water for about 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. Add a bit of honey and lemon for extra soothing power. Speaking of lemon water is also a fantastic option. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. The vitamin C and antioxidants help boost your immune system and fight off the infection. Finally, don't forget about staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids like water, herbal teas and broths keeps your throat moist and helps your body fight off the infection. Remember, these remedies are meant to provide relief and support healing. If your sore throat persists for more than a few days or comes with a high fever, it's best to see a doctor. That's it for today. Try these out and let me know which one works best for you in the comments below. Stay healthy and take care.